Welcome to this tutorial on how to restore Azure SQL Scale Up. Restoring your Azure SQL database to a previous scale is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, it is essential to understand the concept of scaling in Azure SQL. Scaling allows you to increase or decrease the resources allocated to your database, such as CPU, memory, and storage. When you scale up your database, you are increasing the resources allocated to it, which can improve performance. However, scaling up can also increase costs. So it is crucial to monitor your database's performance and adjust the scale as needed. To restore Azure SQL Scale Up, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure SQL database you want to restore and click on it. In the Database Overview page, click on the Configure button under the Settings section. In the Configure page, you will see the current scale configuration of your database. To restore to a previous scale, click on the Pricing Tier button and select the previous tier you want to restore to. You can also use the slider to adjust the vCores, memory, and storage to your desired level. Once you have selected your desired scale configuration, click on the Apply button to save the changes. Azure will then restore your database to the selected scale, which may take a few minutes to complete. It is essential to note that restoring your database to a previous scale may affect its performance. Therefore, it is recommended to monitor your database's performance after restoring the scale and adjust as needed. Additionally, keep in mind that scaling down your database may result in data loss if the new scale configuration does not support the current database size. Best practices for restoring Azure SQL Scale Up include regularly monitoring your database's performance, adjusting the scale as needed, and testing your database after restoring the scale to ensure it is performing as expected. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively restore your Azure SQL database to a previous scale and optimize its performance.